country for the safety of everyone in this life.
So what is up? It's September 1, 2017 and we're going on another adventure. So I get my bag ready and my other bag, my day pack for my cameras and laptop and other gadgets. So let's go. Wow. Ready and steady. So I got my bag, my big bag, my small bag, my day pack, and we're ready to go for another adventure. So it's 6:06 in the morning, November 2, 2017, and we're here at Naiya Airport, and we just arrived here in Manila, and we're going to the mall. So we are here at the Mall of Asia, and duha ka rides gikag airport, one bus and one jeepney. 12 pesos for the bus and 15 pesos for the jeepney. Because of my bags, they let me pay for 2 person because of a big bag here. So the Mall of Asia is not open yet. Mga 9 pa ma-break. So wala tang tadari. I stayed for one night here to buy some stuffs for my camera, and so where we're going considered the most beautiful place on earth. We'll soon find out.
One in the country for the safety of everyone in this life.
Isa ang pinanggalingan, puso ng pelas ng silangan. Walang katulad na pag-alaga, walang katulad na pag-aruga. Taos pusong malasakit, pagsahang kapalit. Ang pusong
Kahala Beach Resort.
Kahala Beach Resort.
So,
Unit 167, right? So, 1.
One.
Dito mo ka ni Abby sa, ano ba? Sa,
ano ka takong mo unit? So big.
Big house.
so I told you.
Grabe, mga dagko bilang bali sa atin. We are here at Kaming's friend. Let's take a tour around the house.
It's the kitchen.
Oh, the kitchen. The host? Yes! Shay, thank you.
And she brought us all Hawaiian stuff. What is this? What is this?
What is this?
Cook coffee.
Wine coffee, nice.
It's
And this one's the real Kona coffee, 100%.
This is the
This is the
Washer dryer.
And this is the dryer. So,
Nice.
lahat kayo mga
a detergent. A
And then
Tide.
the dishwasher.
Nice.
and this is
What's this stuff?
chips.
Chip.
Hawaiian.
Hawaiian chip, yummy.
Yummy. I eat chips.
And this is the fridge. The love of my life.
And then you try this.
This is our room. This is where I'm sleeping tonight. Nice. Look, there's a huge mirror there. And over here is the bathroom. Look, there's the toilet seat. So clean. And what else? There's some nice paintings. Sunset Beach family. And there's another bathroom here. And here, there's a big flat screen TV. This is a beautiful and big house. Amazing. So nice. What we have here is the veranda or lanai because it's enclosed. The entire house is about 1,000 square feet or more. It's amazing. Amazing. She's a doctor, so Oh, we're outside of the house here in Hawaii. Hawaii, yeah, that's the most beautiful place in the world. Considered to be the most beautiful place. So we're outside. Check it out. Look. This is just a portion of what is Hawaii. Yes, going uptown and Tita, what's the name of the festival gana?
Okinawan Festival.
Ah, Japanese
Yes.
Festival of Okinawa. Kahala Mall.
Kalamon.
Yes!
Welcome to Kalamon.
We're in
Bright and sunny.
bright and sunny. We're here in Kahala Mall. Whole Food Grocery Store. We are eating lunch here. Oh, this is my lunch. Salmon. So siya salmon, salmon. 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 Salmon kay taga Pilipinas ako. So, mo ni akong paniod to. Salmon. For $13 this salmon. At Waikiki Beach, Honolulu, Hawaii. So it's 6:49 in the evening and it's still pretty light. It's not dark yet. Look. Still tons of tourists swimming here in Waikiki Beach. And we're just in time for that beautiful sunset. Look at that. Some videos and get some cinematic footage. Tita, what's this?
This is shio
Shio.
chicken.
Uh-huh.
And this is the shoyu pork. What's your breakfast? This one is the spicy coconut. Okay. Ramen coconut.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
We're having ramen.
No.
Yes, alat lagi tita ko. Ito, di ba? Rock and roll, wala ada daw. Ani, oh. Di, oh. Bye-bye, ma.
Annyeong.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye pa.
Thank you for the assistance of Lolo.
Bye-bye. Thank you.